I would like to see a budget which maintains continuity in fiscal consolidation. It maintains continuity in taxation with no sharp changes. Stability is the best thing that this budget can do for us. And a significant statement to alleviate rural poverty and farmers in distress for crop insurance, NREGA. I think there is an urgent need to provide alleviation to.
But it's an interesting balance that the finance minister has to make. On the one hand, people are saying fiscal expansion will boost growth, but RBI governor has called for, fiscal consolidation to be maintained. What is your own view?
I agree. Fiscal discipline should be maintained, and within that space, we have to make sure the allocation goes more into infrastructure and growth. I think India is doing very well. We've got the highest level of road laying going on. All the mines, the reforms that have been done in terms of auctions, the mines will come into production next year. I expect 2016, 17, 18 to substantially every year increase the growth, and I think we're going the right direction.
Right. Will India continue to be a bright spot, and what would really help it at a time when the world is increasingly fragile?
I think manufacturing is coming into its own in India. Last year, the maximum coal production, I think urea production, our port movement, everything, there's so many positives. And I think government is working very quietly on Make in India, making it easy to do business, connecting all the dots. So I think I look forward to the next 2 years being a very bright future for India.
The budget session is around the corner. Are you pinning your hopes on it to really pass the GST bill, or have you given up
Not
hope?
the GST bill, because there are political issues, but it would be a good budget. It will be a path-breaking budget.
So how much room does the finance minister really have for fiscal expansion? Because the RBI, wants expenditure to be prudent. What are your own budget expectations?
My own budget expectations are that startups, innovation, R&D, they will be looked at. Clarifications on many of the things that various statements have been made about ease of doing business. I think that's important. I know that the flexibility is limited, but these are the things that I'm looking for.
And India, will it continue to be a bright spot when the world economy is looking very fragile?
So the growth will definitely be there, but the key thing is, can we take it to 9%, 10%? Because that's what we need in India. 7-8% is not sufficient. The opportunity exists. Can we get there?
In terms of the upcoming budget, how much room does the finance minister really have for fiscal expansion, considering the RBI governor wants him to, maintain the fiscal deficit trajectory? What do you really?
So I think, in oil alone, they'll probably save about 120,000 crores. So I think there's a lot of room. The question of how they decide to use it, I just hope they take a strong view on doing away with certain subsidies and going more towards the DBT.
Right. Do you see India continuing to remain a bright spot as far as the world economy is concerned?
It's a matter of relativeness, I think, yeah.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.